Well, we're back at Cherry Hill, and we're pouring a nice little wine for our next video. Wine is always good.
A Barolo.
A Barolo. Oh, beautiful Barolo.
It's a beauty.
Oh my God.
For myself, some of course.
So, and Joan, of course, for yourself too. Now,
Wine is always good.
yes,
I'm John.
I'm Harry. Welcome to our channel.
Cheers.
Cheers. So this video is a video about, and we're naming it Sunday Morning Coming Down. It's about Saturday, and then comes Sunday, and one of Christopherson's greatest songs that he ever wrote, and Johnny Cash recorded it for the first time, and it was just a great song about how Saturday, and then on Sunday you got to figure out what you're going to do, and we call it Sunday Morning Coming Down. Cheers.
Cheers.
So, Joni, I
Okay.
explained the song and I explained the cash and what.
Okay, well, in today's video, we are going to basically, what's it all about?
Healthy.
The day after Saturday comes Sunday.
Yeah.
What do we do on a Sunday
Oh.
at Cherry Hill?
Well-
We are back in Canada,
Exactly.
so
Cooking at on the beach in our beautiful, beautiful new park model, right?
yeah, we called it the beach cottage.
The beach cottage, yes. And we're just right across from the golf course that we built in 1990.
1990
way
to
back.
92, yeah.
Opened in 92, built in 90.
But we have a perfect view.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
Yeah.
And our lake is right behind us. It's fantastic. But anyway, so this Sunday we decided we were going to first we get up in the morning, right, Jim?
Right, yeah.
And then what do we do in the
We
morning?
have coffee on the dock.
On the dock,
our
right.
favorite.
Yes,
down there.
Yes.
And,
And-
but we sleep as long as we want.
Yes,
but
of course.
Usually we get up pretty early. But not
Yeah.
after a Saturday and a Sunday morning coming down.
Yeah. So anyway, today we're going to take a look at making a 24-step how to make a really good cheap meal
Yeah.
with pork.
Yeah.
Pork, it's fat.
Yeah, it's curry.
It's a curry pork.
In a cast iron Dutch oven.
Yes, we love
yeah.
we love our cast iron Dutch ovens
Simmering
and
all
everything.
day.
They never wear out, and we'll long be dead before they're even close to wearing out. But anyway,
So and then I'll show you how we organize our spice drawer and our
yes.
and our
With-
seed and nut drawer and
What we try to do wherever
all
we
that.
go, we try to get glass containers, and we put all our spices and everything into these glass containers. We try to do as little with plastic as possible, but we'll show that to you too.
yeah. And then while we're waiting for the curry, you're gonna make me a sandwich with
Yes.
avocado, guacamole,
Yes.
chives, broccoli sprouts. Ooh,
So
yes.
while
So-
I've been prepping, in between, then when I had it mostly done, then I made a beautiful sandwich. Got it all back into did everything into the Dutch oven, right?
Right.
Then
So
guess what?
this is
Yeah.
Guess what?
Then it takes 2 to 3 hours for the Dutch oven to simmer. We went for a nap, right?
Yes.
And then we got up and we had a great evening meal. Cheers.
Cheers. Enjoy the show.
Ciao.
Well, every time I see the sun, a rooster crow.
Laid under the willow tree the last weekend.
Now what? This is nuts and seeds? What?
This is nuts on the back row.
Okay.
This is a mixed nut.
Oh, that's for our
9 omegos.
banana omega. Okay,
Omegas,
perfect.
Omegos.
That's for on the salads.
Yeah. And then these are the seeds.
Okay.
Pumpkin seeds. sunflower seeds, chia seeds, etc. Sesame seed. These are turmeric because they don't fit.
Oh, that's turmeric.
Yeah, they don't fit in the
That's huge.
spice drawer. I know.
Wow, fantastic. Okay, done. Ciao.
Would you be my Valentine?
This is the spice drawer.
Spice straw.
Okay. So like things like pepper, cloves, turmeric, ginger, coriander, cumin, and cinnamon,
fantastic.
salt, star aniseed, cloves, star aniseed, nutritional yeast. And I'm not sure what that is.
Those are
this
crumbs.
is curry,
It's curry.
and this is flaked garlic.
Okay.
This is crumbs, breadcrumbs?
bread
Oh,
crumbs,
okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the spice.
One, when the time is right.
That's all this here?
Okay, this drawer is for staples like these are all lentils and beans. So like
Oh, perfect.
beans, chickpeas, lentils, and lentils.
Okay.
And this is quinoa, basmati brown rice, and black rice,
Okay.
wild rice.
Well, oh, perfect.
And
Yeah.
then we've got some baking items like almond flour, coconut flour, baking powder, baking soda, and sugar.
Ah, okay.
Just in case we want to do
Bake something. Make like sugar cookies or
like
something.
bread or sugar cookies.
Ciao. Our little kitchen. By the sea. By the lake. So yesterday we used this. You gotta put a little bit of olive oil on there just to make sure. Cast iron always has to have oil on it fresh like this. Okay? And that's all has to be done like that. Okay, today I'm going to use the Dutch oven, and I cleaned it the other day and I got the oil in and everything. Okay, so that's the Dutch oven I'm going to use today. What I'm going to make within that is we bought this pork, 2 pieces of pork. They're called blade steaks. I'm going to cut them up into pieces, and I'm going to make a roast in the Dutch oven. And I'm going to use a little bit of what's this one again? The Indian curry.
Curry.
A little bit of dry Keen's mustard. No, you can't add anything to a dry because there's no. And then a little bit of star aniseed, a little bit of cloves, some carrots, some these are the
Sweet
sweet
potato.
potatoes, and a couple of onions, and that's what I'm going to. I'm just slow cook that for tonight's meal. What do you think?
Excellent.
Ciao.
Means that every heart and soul needs to be whole, and the road signs keep changing as the road stretches out ahead, and the mood keeps on changing. All I wanna do is lie down in bed. How are you?
Cheers. We're back at cooking at Cherry Hill. I don't know, we just love it. Now, today, I'm going to use my my Dutch oven, okay? And I'm going to sear. This is pork blade steak. This was like less than $9 Canadian. Yesterday we
Fabulous.
had the one beef ribeye was over 25. But anyway, now I'm going to sear these first. So they go in and they they're going to see how they're here.
Hear the sizzle?
Hear the sizzle. And so this is now going to sear on high, okay? Now I'm going to tell you the secret. So once this is seared and turned and stuff, I'll take the meat out and put it in here, okay?
Right.
Then in goes the butter. Next is the garlic and the cloves, the star aniseed and cloves. Okay. Then there's the beer that goes in. So it's going to be cooked in beer. Okay. Then the King's mustard goes in next, and then this beautiful. You know what this is?
Yeah, it's a curry, right?
That's an Indian curry.
It's got like all my favorites, like fenugreek and
Yeah.
all that. Ooh.
Then the onions go in. See?
Ooh, smells
Yeah.
good.
Together with the carrots and the sweet potatoes. And they just kind of saute in each other a little bit. Then the meat goes in and I'm going to turn it down very low. Right now it's on high because I'm searing the meat. But cheers, it's a very hot day. It's 32 degrees out and beer is
So
necessary.
we're very comfortable in our air conditioning.
Very comfortable. Okay. I always think, even if you're making like a stew or anything, like this type of a Dutch oven stuff, you need to sear it. And then take it out. But when you're searing it like this, it just has so much nice flavor in it, okay? So now I also, now I add a little bit of salt. You don't need a lot. A little bit of this, okay?
Pepper?
Pepper, yeah. So now, what happens, you just need to turn, see, and leave the bones in, because they're so fantastic, you know. They add lots of great flavor. Okay, so now this is there, now it's time to take it out. Okay. Take out the meat and let it sit. And now I turn it down because I'm going to add butter, okay? That was just on high for searing. But look at these. Look what's left there now, Joe. There is the gold, right there. Okay, now I add a little bit of butter. Okay. I've already turned it down so I won't burn the butter. Don't want to burn the butter. Okay, right. Turn it quite quick. Okay, so that's it. Now comes some of the great flavors. Ooh,
Yum.
look at that.
Garlic.
Garlic. Yes.
Star aniseed and cloves.
Yeah. That goes in with this. And that's sort of just before I add the beer and the rest. This sort of has to that just fuses together beautifully. Gets all that brown stuff out of there. Oh, baby. Okay. Now, a nice light beer.
Wow.
That's fantastic. And a little bit for the chef.
Perfect.
Okay. Now, Here's in. Now in goes the mustard. I always think mustard and ham is a must, or any type of pork. Okay. Now here,
Yeah.
look at this. What's this again, Jenny?
That's the curry.
Oh, Indian curry, right?
Yeah, beautiful curry.
Yeah, and I've already
Curry
had it sitting
mixture.
in water for a little bit. Stir it in there. Now, move this stir in there. Ooh, babe. Oh. Oh, can you smell it? Oh.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Oh, yeah. Oh, babe. Okay, so now, oh yeah, the onions have to go. Okay. Now, for now, we just close this up here.
When do the carrots and the sweet potatoes go in?
This is just going to sort of infuse together first of all, and the alcohol from the beer has to
Has to.
go off.
Yeah.
Okay? And then I'm gonna just
Cover
Pardon?
it? Yeah.
I'm gonna cover it for a little bit. I just check the flame. Yeah. So nice low. It'll go for about
That's a propane stove.
15 minutes or so.
Yeah.
And then I add the carrots and the potatoes. The carrots take longer than the sweet potatoes, so. And then at the end, I put in the meat and it just, oh, I think it's gonna be fantastic. Right? Wine is always good. And with a view like that, it's even better.
Yeah. Wow.
Now over here, John, I moved the Dutch oven over to the back a little bit. So it's not, it has a lower heat back here, but now, see, take a look at that in there.
Simmering.
Yes, this will simmer for a little bit longer. I'm going to make us a little bit of breakfast sandwich, avocado and a few things like that, and then we'll get back to this. Okay? You're on, sweetheart.
Wine is always good. Cheers. I'm going to talk about curry. We have a very, very special curry blend that we're using today. And I'll tell you what's in it because all these ingredients are super, super healthy for you. This one has, if you just smell it, oh, it's amazing. But it's got coriander, turmeric, fenugreek, mustard, a little salt, a little onion and garlic, yellow split peas to give it the color, fennel, cardamom, and some peppers. It's a very, very healthy blend, and it's really good to kickstart your metabolism, and it's fantastic in any kind of meat dishes or this type of thing.
Especially with pork.
And you're doing it with pork today, so I'm happy. Cheers.
Good. Cheers. Ciao. Standing on the dock of the bay. Oh, is Otis ready? Look at that. Love this view.
Wonderful.
And a little bit of wine. Oh, wine's always good.
Perfect.
Look at these beautiful gloves.
Yeah,
You know,
aren't they amazing? Wow.
There's certain things that I only want to buy one more time. Not because I'm dying or anything like that, but because I think these are just fantastic.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We
so
should
now-
actually take them in the suitcase with us.
Well, no.
Around the
No,
world.
No. Excuse me. No, not doing that. I'll buy them out there. But anyway, now, Joan, come and look at this. Look at that. Can you film in there?
Wow.
Oh, this, we just talked about the curry, right?
Yes, it's just.
This is fantastic.
Oh, it's amazing.
Now in go the carrots. It's very simply done. Okay. Now in go
sweet
the sweet
potatoes. Wonderful.
That's just perfect.
There's 2 of them.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to turn up the heat just a little bit, but now this is pork, and it's flavorful already. But look at what's going to happen when
Yeah, you need to
look at that.
you need to saute it for a long time,
Yes.
or just roast it.
Yes. So just make sure you move it around so that it gets coated completely with everything. Okay. All right. And now, just is going to. I know.
So it's just burning lightly.
Yes, it's going to take, I'm going to let it go for about 2 or 3 hours like this on very low.
Okay.
I think it's very important that it's just, okay? Very low. Low on the totem pole.
Wonderful.
Now I'm going to make you a little bit of a sandwich to tide us over.
Till tonight.
Yeah, we haven't had any breakfast today.
No. We
Crazy, isn't it?
we intermittent fasted this morning.
Yeah. Ciao. Cheers. While the roaster or the Dutch oven is working away, time to have a little bit of wine, and then now we haven't eaten anything today yet. And it is, what time is it anyway? It's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Isn't it? So Joan made this.
We've been busy.
Yeah, Joan has made this avocado
It's a guacamole.
guacamole. Yes.
Yeah, it's a
And
really,
did
really
you,
good one.
What's that orange stuff that's on there?
Turmeric.
Oh, that's turmeric.
Yeah. You
Oh, I've
sprinkle
never
some
had it
turmeric
either
on.
before.
Yeah, it's very common.
Very common?
With guacamole, you always add turmeric on top.
Well, okay.
I think it's turmeric.
No, it sure
Yeah.
smells like turmeric.
No, it is turmeric.
Mm.
It's just that some guacamoles are made. Oh no, that's hummus. Sorry, my mistake.
That's okay. Turmeric is on there now.
Yeah.
Now, when we went to Venice 2 years ago, Venice?
Vienna.
We learned how to use, what are these crazy little
Chives.
chives
Yeah,
on sandwiches.
they're amazing.
And so then we put on a little guacamole on
Now,
some
aren't you
really
gonna
good
chop?
bread.
Are you gonna chop them or just
No, just
whole
like this.
that?
Oh,
Wow. Oh, okay. Interesting.
That's how they did it. That's how they did it.
Yeah.
And then they put an egg on top.
Well, didn't they put it on the side like an egg,
No, the egg is on top.
a soft-boiled egg, a
Yeah.
perfect 6-minute egg. It was the most amazing. Vienna.
Perfect. And then
Ooh, the cafes
now
are
we're
fabulous.
putting these sprouts are these
Alfalfa sprouts.
these are alfalfa sprouts. Now look at that.
Wonderful.
Isn't that something fantastic?
That's so good.
So now I'm going to take this avocado like this, and I'm going to put it on the side. Cut this like this. Oh, you know what, Joe? Don't go good, very good at this. Those little red radishes.
Oh, right.
We'll go with this.
Okay.
So, ciao. We'll get right back. We lucked out. We've got really buttery avocados.
Wonderful ones, yeah.
Oh. And so I'm just scooping the final product now, like this. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is also the radish. All you do is this.
Those are such good radishes.
Oh. And then you put it. And now what we do is we put a little bit of salt and pepper on all this stuff, and a little bit of olive oil on the avocados. And look at that. Look at the color. Isn't that beautiful color?
Fabulous. Wonderful.
Isn't that it? Look at
Wow, yeah.
that. Okay, now we'll say ciao.
Okay, can you lift that up a little bit?
Sure. is also okay. It's really good olive oil from Prairie, and it's actually very
It's
good.
Italian, yes.
It
It's
is
a
an
very
Italian
good,
olive oil.
Yeah.
Not as fresh as we have back there, but look at that. Should put a little bit of that on. Okay. Now a little bit of fresh sea salt, right?
Yeah.
A little bit of pepper. And there you have it.
Voila.
Voila. Ciao.
With a nice white wine.
Mmm.
Today it's a Chardonnay.
Yes. Perfect. All right.
And with a view of the golf course.
Yes, of course.
Oh, beautiful.
Well, Joan, is that something else? That is perfect, no? With the avocado and a little bit of the radishes. Isn't that fantastic? I think it's really good. Is wine always good? No. Ciao. Yes. And look at the view. Whoa. And the golf course is out there too. Ciao. Well, this is 1 hour in. Get another hour for sure to go. And look at that. Don't smell this. The perfume is amazing. Oh, wow. Nice, eh?